Before we delve into the online application process, let's first understand what car insurance is and why it's necessary. Car insurance, simply put, is a contract between you, the policyholder, and an insurance company. You agree to pay a certain amount, known as a premium, at regular intervals. In return, the insurance company agrees to cover financial losses related to your vehicle, as specified in your policy. Car insurance is not a one-size-fits-all product. There are different types, each designed to protect you in various scenarios. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have liability insurance. This is the bare minimum required by most states, and it covers the costs if you're responsible for an accident. It's split into two categories: bodily injury and property damage. Next, there's collision insurance. This covers damage to your car from a collision, regardless of who's at fault. If you have a loan or lease on your car, this coverage might be required. Then we have comprehensive insurance, which covers damage to your car from things other than a collision. Think fire, theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is also vital. This kicks in if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have enough insurance or any at all. Finally, there's medical payments coverage and personal injury protection. These cover medical expenses for you and your passengers after an accident. So, why is car insurance necessary? Well, besides it being a legal requirement in most states, car insurance provides financial protection. Without it, you'd have to pay out of pocket for any damage or injuries you cause in an accident. It also covers your own expenses if you're hit by an uninsured driver or in case of a non-collision event like a tree falling on your car. Now that we've covered the basics of car insurance, it's time to assess your specific insurance needs. Remember, understanding the basics is the first step towards making informed decisions about your car insurance coverage. Determining the type and amount of coverage that suits your needs is crucial in ensuring you have adequate protection without overpaying. The process begins with understanding your state's requirements. Each state in the US has a unique set of minimum car insurance requirements. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these mandates to ensure you're operating within the law. Once you've got a handle on the legal necessities, it's time to consider personal factors that will influence your coverage decisions. First and foremost, evaluate your driving habits. Are you a high-mileage driver or someone who only uses their car occasionally? Do you live in a city with heavy traffic or in a rural area with less congestion? These factors can significantly impact the level of coverage you'll need. Next, consider the value of your vehicle. If you're driving a high-end model, you might want to opt for more extensive coverage to protect your investment. On the other hand, if your car's older and has depreciated significantly, a basic liability coverage might be sufficient. Then, take a look at your budget. It's important to find a balance between getting the coverage you need and what you can afford. Remember, the goal is to have adequate protection without overpaying. Now, let's move on to coverage options. In addition to the standard coverages like liability, collision, and comprehensive, you might want to consider add-ons like roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, or gap insurance, especially if you have a financed vehicle. Finally, it's all about finding the right balance between deductibles and premiums. Your deductible is the amount you'll have to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in, and the premium is your regular insurance payment. Generally, a higher deductible means lower premiums, but it also means more out-of-pocket costs if you need to make a claim. Once you've assessed your insurance needs, the next step is to compare insurance providers. With a clear understanding of your insurance needs, you're now ready to compare different insurance providers. This is a crucial step in your journey to obtaining the optimal car insurance for your specific situation. Why is it so important to compare insurance providers, you might wonder? Well, not all insurance companies are created equal. They may offer different coverage options, customer service experiences, and, of course, varying prices. Therefore, taking the time to make comparisons can help you find the best value for your hard-earned money. Let's break down the factors you should consider when comparing providers. Firstly, coverage options. While most providers offer the standard types of coverage, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive, some may include additional options like roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, or gap insurance. These extras could add significant value to your policy, depending on your needs. Secondly, customer service. In the event of an accident or claim, you want to ensure that your provider will be responsive and helpful. Look at customer reviews and ratings to gauge the quality of their service. Remember, good customer service can make a world of difference in stressful situations. And lastly, price. While it's important not to base your decision solely on cost, it's certainly a significant factor. Ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck by comparing the prices of similar coverage across different providers. Now you might be thinking, that sounds like a lot of work. But don't worry, the digital age comes to the rescue. There are numerous online comparison tools available that streamline this process, allowing you to compare multiple providers side by side within minutes. These tools take into consideration your specific needs and provide you with a list of suitable options. After comparing providers and choosing the one that suits your needs, you're ready to apply for car insurance online. Applying for car insurance online is a simple and convenient process. Let's guide you through it. The first step in applying for car insurance online is providing your personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Insurance companies use this data to assess your risk level and calculate your insurance rates. Rest assured, reputable insurers employ secure encryption systems to protect your sensitive data. Next, you'll need to provide information about your vehicle. This includes the make, model, and year of your car, as well as its vehicle identification number, VIN. The insurer uses this information to determine the cost to replace or repair your vehicle in case of an accident. After providing your personal and vehicle information, it's time to choose your coverage. Remember our earlier discussion about assessing your insurance needs? This is where it comes into play. Select the coverage options that best fit your needs and budget. Some websites even offer a coverage calculator to help you decide how much coverage you need. Once you've selected your coverage, you'll receive a quote. This is the estimated cost of your insurance based on the information you've provided and the coverage you've chosen. Make sure to review this quote carefully. If it seems too high, you may want to adjust your coverage or deductible. Or you may want to shop around and get quotes from other insurance companies. Lastly, if you're satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to make a payment. Most insurance companies accept various forms of payment, including credit debit cards, electronic funds transfer, and even paper checks. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your policy details. Be sure to save or print this for your records. And there you have it. With a few clicks and keystrokes, you've navigated the online application process and secured car insurance for your vehicle. Congratulations! You've now successfully applied for car insurance online. Let's recap the process of obtaining car insurance online in the USA. We began this journey by understanding car insurance basics. It's a contract between you and an insurance company, providing you with financial protection against accidents, theft, and other covered incidents. There are various types of coverages available, like liability, collision, comprehensive, among others, and the necessity of each depends on your state's legal requirements and your personal circumstances. Moving on, we discussed how to assess your insurance needs. This involves understanding your state's minimum car insurance requirements and evaluating your personal factors, such as driving habits, the value of your vehicle, and your budget. You may also want to consider additional coverage options like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement. When choosing your insurance, remember, adjusting your deductible can impact your premium. A higher deductible often results in lower premiums. Next, we highlighted the importance of comparing insurance providers. Just as you would shop around for the best price on a car, you should also shop around for the best car insurance rates and customer service. Don't forget to check the financial stability of the company and read reviews from current customers. Finally, we walked you through the process of applying for car insurance online. It's a simple and convenient process that allows you to customize your policy, get instant quotes, and purchase coverage directly from the provider's website. Always remember to review your policy thoroughly before finalizing your purchase. This comprehensive guide aimed to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the process of obtaining online car insurance in the USA. It's essential to understand your needs, compare your options, and make an informed decision that provides you with the best possible protection. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive guide to obtaining online car insurance in the USA. We hope this information has been helpful and wish you all the best in your car insurance journey.